Hi, I'm Donnie Beasley. Thanks for watching my video. I have a lot of questions. People want to know exactly about the installation for a standby generator, and I'd like to go into that in a little bit more detail. After a site evaluation and someone agrees to purchase a system, you will get a call from our installation manager, and he will schedule an installation date. This day we will come out and do the complete installation. Your standby generator will be ready, running, and good to go by the time we leave. The first step, what we do is we come out, we level the ground where the standby generator is going to be placed, and we put that on a preformed concrete pad. So it's secure, it's not going anywhere, and it's level. We can install these 15 inches from your home or another existing building. They are fire rated, they are totally safe. They're not going to produce any heat around the unit that's going to be close to your house. They exhaust out the front so you don't have to worry about the carbon monoxide. Also, they run on natural gas or propane, so you don't have the same problem you have on a gasoline engine. We also run a gas line, either from your natural gas supply or your propane tank. And depending on how that is, if it has to be buried in the ground, we trench that in, we bury it, we cover that up, and we come back later after that settles and either seed and straw or sod that area in your yard, so you don't have to worry about that. It's all taken care of. The automatic transfer switch goes by your meter, because this is installed between your meter and your electrical box that's located in or outside of your home. So when you lose power in 10 seconds, the generator comes on. It has an automatic disconnect in the transfer switch, so it doesn't backfeed into the utility grid. It is only powering your home. Our transfer switches are approved by every electrical company in the country. They're totally safe. So the generator will run and it's going to power only your home, your electrical box. Then we can determine what all you want to run in your home. We can run the basics or we can power your entire home. It's up to you, the customer. So that's a little bit more about installation. We can explain this in detail. We can show you where the system's going to go and how that's going to work in your home. Just click the button at the bottom of the page, set up a free home evaluation. We'll send someone out and discuss all this with you. There's no cost to it. So fill that out. We'll get in touch with you and start the process. Thanks for watching our video.